Good morning, guys. I literally look like a crackhead because I just woke up. Ooh, why is my toilet so loud? I see all these YouTubers being productive during quarantine and waking up at like 8 o'clock. I literally just woke up and it's 10:57. Oh my gosh. Oh, did this stay open all night? My skin fridge stayed open. Today is a Thursday when I'm filming this, meaning today is my science day. So I have to do all my science work. And science isn't that hard. It just takes a little bit of time. But first we need to brush my teeth. I think I'm gonna film a morning. Ew, why is my toothpaste so gross? I think I'm gonna film a morning routine for online school on my main channel probably next week, so look out for that video. But also, I know I was talking about tanning in my last vlog a lot. The UV is 7.2 today. If you didn't watch my main channel video where I surprised Cole, because, oh, let me talk about that really quick. Wait, I can't. If you did not watch my main channel, this past weekend I went back to Atlanta, my normal house, for 2 days because my dad had to work there. So I got there around Sunday afternoon and we left Tuesday morning. So I hung out with Cole for like 2 days, which was really nice. And I posted a whole vlog of that on my main channel, Caiti's Corner. So go watch that if you want. But the reason I was talking about tanning and the UV again is because I bought this browning tanning lotion that I saw off of TikTok. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am so pale. And when I tan, like, I literally don't tan, I burn. So I really just, I don't know, I want to be tan. I'm tired of fake tanning. I haven't fake tanned in like 2 months. And I saw this on TikTok and supposedly it works really well. It's just browning lotion, so you put it on and it accelerates you getting tan faster. I believe if I put that on and I go lay outside, I might get a little tan. My dad and I hung up these construction papers on these 2 windows because they shine light right into my eyes in the morning at like 7:30. So we hung up these construction papers and they've been doing a good job of keeping the light out, but then I have to open these blinds every day, which is so much easier. I just open it like halfway. I don't know why we don't have them on these. Normally Cole and I do science together, but guess what? He's not awake. I feel like that's an ongoing factor. It shouldn't be too hard. She said we're supposed to be finishing our module today, which means we have a quiz. I haven't personally taken any quiz or tests doing online school yet, so that's just kind of weird to me. I don't know how it's gonna be. Sorry, I just have lots of announcements. I haven't vlogged in a little while. I planned on doing it yesterday, but my day was so boring, and now I feel like I'm gonna do more today. The governor of Georgia officially announced that all Georgia schools are closed for the rest of the year. So we will not be going back to school anymore. We will be doing teleschool, which that's what my school calls it, online school, for the rest of the year. Technically, I'm a junior now. I can't believe I'm not gonna finish sophomore year. Like, that's so weird to me. But once this year is over, I'm literally halfway done with high school. I just can't believe that because I feel like I'm still a freshman, you know, but I'm gonna be a junior. Like, I'll be officially an upperclassman soon. That's just scary to me. That's a whole nother story. Okay, but let me start my work. I need to go to Microsoft Teams. Sorry, let me just complain first and then we'll get positive. All my teachers use a different way of communicating with us. Like, some of them use Edmodo, some of them use Google Classroom, some of them use Microsoft Teams. So many different things to keep up with, so many different accounts I have to log into all of these. It's just like so much. Is this my 3rd or 4th week of school that we've done online? Let me do this because I've been rambling for so long, and then hopefully we get to go lay outside. It's now 12 and I finished doing my science work and my Spanish work because if y'all don't already know, I take Spanish online before this. Like, Spanish was an online class for me before this, meaning I would leave my school early to go do it off campus. Since it was a class online before, I have Spanish every single day instead of 1 day a week like my school does it, which kind of stinks, but I'm like really behind in it because I don't remember to do it every day. But I also need to film something for my film class because we're doing remote shows, which if you don't know, I am on my morning show or my morning announcements show, whatever y'all's school calls it, and I'm a host. So that means every single week I get on camera and I talk to like the audience, which is the school, and they film me us doing announcements and all that stuff. But since we're not in school, we've been doing remote shows, meaning everyone will provide segments of like entertainment and one person will do announcements and we all drop it into a Google Drive folder and then someone puts it all together. So we've been doing morning announcement shows but from afar, which is cool, but it's like a lot of work. And I always get chose to host it, which kind of stinks. I need to film me reading off some announcements, and it's also hard because I don't have like a teleprompter, which would typically be the thing that you read the announcements off of, so I have to like, I don't know y'all, it's kind of hard. So I just ate some frozen pizza and some oranges for lunch, and I uploaded my thing for my morning show class, which is good. I'm glad I got that done. I'm gonna text in the group me and say I did it. Announcements are uploaded. When I went back to Atlanta for 2 days this weekend, I got some more clothes because if you guys did not see my last vlog, I was complaining that I didn't bring enough clothes. I brought some more bathing suits because I only had one up here, and like I said, didn't know we were gonna be up here for 3 months. We brought some more bathing suits. I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna wear because none of them match. I'm going to put this on and then we will go outside. I will put on my browning lotion and we will lay out in the sun. So I'm outside now in my little setup. This is where I lay out every day, and I put on the tanning lotion and it did make me browner automatically. That's just because it's brown, but I'm gonna lay out here and we will see if it does anything for me. I put it on my body on the front half, not the back. Now I'm gonna connect to the JBL speaker and we are going to listen to music. So I'm inside from tanning now. I just rinsed off because I used that browning stuff and I don't know if it made a big difference. I feel like it made a little difference, but it was so greasy. Like I still feel greasy and I showered off for so long. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it didn't quite work as well as I wanted to for like how greasy it was. Wasn't expecting that because when I bought it, no one said anything about it being greasy. They just said it smelled bad, which honestly, I didn't even think it smelled that bad. It's 2 o'clock and I just posted my video of surprising cold during quarantine on my main channel. So if you haven't watched that, it's obviously out before this vlog is, but that is on my main channel, like I said, and I'm so excited. I really like that vlog. But now I need to do some stuff for a brand deal. I need to order a few things and do some emails. Unfortunately, that is the reality of doing what I do, is emails. I'm glad I laid out though. It was super nice, like so nice. But now we got some business things to do because this is my job. I'm so grateful to be able to have a job during quarantine when so many people can't leave their houses and can't do their jobs from home, and I can. It's just amazing and I'm really grateful for that. But that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's not gonna be interesting. I just got off of a phone call with Instagram. I was on there for 45 minutes or like 40 minutes with my Instagram connection, I guess you could say. But we had a call about the things that they're looking to do. Oh no, my camera is definitely falling. The things that they're looking to do in the future. The things that they're looking to do in the future and how they want creators to grow. That was a really good call. They told me a lot of things that I didn't know and they were like giving me the inside scoop, you know? So it's good to have connections with big brands like Instagram. But during the call, I picked off all my nails. If you guys don't know, I had acrylics on my nails and then I broke them off with my teeth, but they were attached to my real nail. My nails are so thin right now, so I'm just putting a thin coat of clear nail polish on so they're not as weak. Because I normally always go to the nail salon to get my nails done, whether it's gel or acrylics, and obviously we can't do that now, so this is what we're gonna have to do. Later, I'm gonna do my mom's gel nails. I actually have a whole gel nail kit with like a light and a UV and everything. Try and attempt to do that. I'm really not that good at nails. That is my little update. Now I have clear on my nails, but I think I'm gonna take the 4-wheelers down to the mailbox because I've been sending all my packages that I ordered or that companies are sending to me to our mountain cabin right now, and if they don't fit in the small mailbox, then they go to the post office, which is downtown in downtown Blue Ridge. So I need to check to see if there's anything there yet. I should be getting a few things in the mail soon, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't want to go by myself on the 4-wheeler, so I'm gonna try and get one of my brothers to go with me. There was no mail. Currently driving the 4-wheeler with Mason. So I just checked our little mailbox. There was nothing for me yet, but there should be later this week. Also, my nose looks really weird. I have like a pimple on it and it looks brown. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it blends in with my freckles. I have so many freckles right now because I've been laying out in the sun. Today's been a really good day. It's been very productive. It is now 4:30, and if you're wondering who that random kid was that was with me, that is our mountain cabin neighbors. They've been social distancing up here in their cabin as well. It's 2 boys and a girl, and they're around my brother's ages, so they are always at our house. Like, my brothers have to be around people, otherwise they fight all the time, and they've been friends for like years. So that is who that was. But no one else wanted to come with me, so thanks, Mason. Love ya. But I think now I'm just gonna chillax. I've been going. I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube, some Criminal Minds. Probably gonna do some more Spanish homework because I'm still behind. It's 6 o'clock now, and I got so hungry because all I've eaten today is those 2 tiny pieces of pizza and a few oranges for lunch. I'm like so bad at remembering to eat. But I just got a bowl of strawberries and I love strawberries. It's literally candy to me. You guys probably know this by now. Strawberries, any berries are my favorite fruit. If I'm eating it as a snack, I just add like a tiny bit of stevia, which is healthy 0-calorie sugar. And oh my gosh, it literally tastes like dessert. I know fruits have natural sugars, but just the tiny bit of sugar makes it like chef's kisses, let me just say that. But I think I'm just gonna chill. I've been working a lot today and doing a lot of school, so I'm just gonna relax. I'm supposed to do my mom's nails. She's still I'm a strawberry. But she's also still working, so we'll see you at that as well. I'm using my favorite My Caiti blanket, literally the best blanket ever. Go shop, link down below. I mentioned this in my newest YouTube video, but I'm donating a portion of the profits on every single merch thing that gets purchased to a foundation for the COVID-19, supporting people who are in need right now. If you buy now, you'll be supporting a good cause, and I'll be donating some of my own money as well. I just want to try and help out as many people as possible, but let's watch some Criminal Minds. So we finished eating dinner and now I'm gonna do my mother's nails. I have this gel kit with a UV light and it comes with like base coat, top coat, and then colors. So I'm gonna paint her nails because she needs it. Like I said, I just put clear on mine because I'm gonna let them refurbish. That is definitely not the right word. Grow, thicken, strengthen, because they are... What are you doing? I did not crack your phone. You're such a liar. Imagine thinking that's an outlet.
It is an outlet.
It is not an outlet.
It is an outlet.
Then why can't you do it?
Because I don't want to break your tool like you said.
No, it's just not
Lefty
an outlet.
loosey, righty tighty. No,
Smile, they want to see you.
Gonna...
Show me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Be in my video.
Oh, I can't. My face is all broken up.
Why?
From stress. From corona stress.
Show me your face.
No.
Okay, fine. I'll put the camera away. Hello.
I knew it. I knew you were telling me a fib.
Cappy's hair grew out a little more, so she's not as skinny.
You guys have to cut my nails.
Excuse me.
You're ugly.
She is not ugly. Don't say that about my dog.
A goat.
Not.
I'll get white on my pinky. I'll get black on my pinky.
Okay, but I'm doing mom
Actually, I'm
first.
gonna get white.
So now it's turned into Katie's nail salon because I'm doing everyone's nails. The top coat, it's gelish. We got it off of Amazon a very long time ago. It's kind of crusty. Yeah.
Ew.
You sure?
Yeah, this is the bottom.
Just do one
oh wait,
nail.
is this the bottom? So we just do. It kind of burns when you put it in the light. You remember that? Mm-hmm. So now she puts it in the light for like till the light goes up, and then we're gonna do the foundation on this one too.
Oh, it's burning.
It's supposed to burn.
I'm gonna do my nail, Katie.
Now we're gonna do the color. My mom chose this basic tan color, but this company sent me these nail polishes a while ago, and I've never used them before. So this goes on top of the foundation shade.
Hey, that's not how you do polish. Do it the right way, girl.
I'm trying.
I can do it, baby. Here, let me do it.
Come here. Mom's gonna do her own nails. I'll do one of yours. Okay, so now we're doing
burn?
Cam's. It might burn a little.
It does.
Put it in here. Ooh, your fingers are crusty.
Thanks.
What colors do you want?
I want
Pink?
I want white. I want white.
Black.
There is no white.
There's
Oh, is that
white.
what There's white?
Yeah, it's just ugly.
Oh!
Burn.
I told
The
you.
white is ugly. It's like see-through.
I'm doing
I'm gonna peel
white.
this off right there.
Yeah, it peels off.
Because no one's gonna see this.
Can
Quarantine
I
vlog.
use this?
Katie's made 3
Oh, is that
quarantine vlogs.
white?
Yeah.
I like white. Give me white.
Now Chase. Chase wants black. I've done black a bunch of times.
I'm little hoodie.
Ooh, it's sparkly.
This.
Oh, dang it.
I'm doing white.
Both of you put your fingers in.
No, I'm
doing
doing
white
white
coat.
Both of your fingers in. Because you're gonna peel it right off. Why would I make it good?
Because you can't make it yet.
Yeah, I can. You're just gonna peel it right off.
Mom's look bad.
Mom's doing her own.
Oh, my bad, Mom. No, they look good. I'm just kidding, Mom. I was joking.
You're so mean.
Wait,
Mom, I'm
wait, if
sorry.
you go into a dark room and put this light on, you can see like all the pee stuff and stains.
Oh my goodness.
We should do that.
TikTok life hack.
I'm done.
Yeah. Look at Cam's nail.
Dude, this takes so
It's my one
like
nail.
little time.
You look like when I slam my finger in a car door. That's what your nail looks like.
You're gonna break her.
I'm bleeding on my toe when I fell up the stairs. Did you hear that?
I heard you trip.
Yeah, I fell up the stairs
That's
because I missed one.
Are you guys done? Is that it? You're done for the day?
Sorry, vlog.
Jeez.
Mom,
Ah! No, not that. White.
you're doing white?
I did white
You did this.
first, and then I did white.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Girlfriend, what are you
I'm
doing?
getting it thicker. You see how thin it is?
No, if you go thicker, then it's just gonna put lines in it.
Do you see your cheer trials got canceled?
Yeah, because it was May 7th. I don't know why they sent that out. That's so dumb. I was thinking to myself, why are they sending this email out?
School is canceled. Cheer tryouts are. They said in the email they were gonna try and do virtual cheer tryouts, but the school board wouldn't let them. And I'm like, obviously, virtual tryouts.
They don't even need a tryout. Half the girls they already know.
Yes.
The coaches are new, but the girls are not.
Yeah, so none of the
If
coaches
you've
know the
cheered-
girls.
Doesn't matter. If you've cheered before, you know how to cheer. You don't need to try out. Just make the team.
Agreed.
The only ones that should try out are freshmen, and if they're on any kind of comp team or any kind of other team, then they should make the team. Don't even need a tryout. They just want
Just want money. Well, y'all, I think that is it for this video. It's now 7:20, and we did a lot today. To be honest, we did more than I thought I would. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quarantine vlog and enjoyed seeing my family. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Follow all my social medias and go shop the merch down below. Love you guys. Peace in the Middle East.